What's going on, guys? So we're going to talk a little bit about crude oil. Okay, ticker symbol /CL. So me and a couple of guys from the Discord have been trading crude oil a lot lately. The volatility in this thing has been absolutely insane. So we do know that oil has touched highs of $112.51 a barrel. I know you guys are feeling that at the pump today. I was actually driving by the gas station. I'm gonna hate having to put gas next time in my car, but as I was driving by the gas station, I seen that my local gas station here in Southern California was $4.99 a gallon. Absolutely insane. There's so much going on with crude oil, with the geopolitical news with Russia and Ukraine, but that's all besides the point. So I'm going to be able to pay for that gas by trading crude oil. So if you guys are interested in trading futures, maybe you guys are interested in trading the NASDAQ, the SPYs, crude oil, gold, so forth, other commodities, wheat, soybeans, stuff like that, and you guys maybe haven't traded futures before, definitely join my Discord. We're helping out people get started on how you can trade futures. A lot of money in futures. These things move around a lot, and if you're a little concerned about your account size maybe not being large enough to trade futures, maybe you want to day trade but you don't really necessarily have the money, well, how about you become a funded trader, right? So I know there's a couple of guys in the Discord who are going through the process right now and actually have actually been funded with that partner that we use, Top Step Prop Firm. Check out the link in my description. You guys can get funded up to 150,000. So there's like $50,000 option you guys can get funded with, $100,000 option you guys can get funded with, $150,000 option you guys can get funded with, and you guys will be able to day trade. So just because you get funded through a prop firm to trade futures doesn't necessarily mean you're going to become a millionaire. At the end of the day, you still have to manage risk. At the end of the day, you still need to go through a training process and understand and know how to trade. You need to have a trading strategy. You can't just, jump into the market, click buy or click sell, and automatically you're a millionaire. It doesn't really work that way. I've been trading myself for just about 5 years, 3 years full time now. But let's take a look at crude oil here. What do I see? I see a double top here on crude oil, 112.51. So we can see here today we touched 112.51. We also came up consolidated. I was actually looking for a long breakout on crude oil. Was looking for the break, looking for the back test, and then a little bit of a push higher. But I mean, it's like, the more that I wanted to play this long, the more it got me thinking about what is this going to do to gas prices, across the nation and across the world, if this crude oil cost per barrel keeps going up. So what I can see here is, maybe we do touch 115, 120 by summertime, but I would expect a little bit of a pullback before then. So the level that I'm looking at, I'm actually sitting short in crude oil right now, up currently $600. So if you want to see that P&L, definitely join the Discord. I'll be posting that P&L later when I close out that position. But the reason why I took that short position, if I could just zoom in a little bit here and kind of show you exactly where I took this position. So we already knew that we had resistance at 112.50 one time. We came up, touched it a second time, kind of consolidated. We got a failed breakout here. And as we started coming into this moving average here, which is a 20-period moving average, and we closed below, I was looking for a change in trend. I can see here that we've been trading since 8:30 in the morning Pacific Standard Time over the 20-period moving average. And now this is now what you would call a change in trend as we closed below that 20-period moving average. So what I was looking for here was a confirmation of this low price, and that low price underneath the 20 was going to be $111.39. So if you're not too familiar with the way crude trades, every 1 cent is going to move $10 in your favor per one lot size. So you can just think about the potential on how much profits you can make trading crude oil. But you also have to understand that if you do not manage and control your risk, you can also go down very, very significantly. So just keep that in mind as well. So as we got that confirmation here on crude oil below 111.35, we did begin to consolidate, and then we did try to test this 20. If we were to close over this 20-period moving average, it would have stopped me out of my position. However, we did come down, confirm that flush point, and we got that next drop to 110.64, and now we are also consolidating again. So the next flush point on crude oil Another good thing about futures is these markets are open like 24 hours a day, right? Where they only close for a little bit of time, you know, like an hour, 10 minutes or something like that. You know, 1 o'clock my time, the market will close a little bit and then it reopens again, right? Kind of reset that. But 110.56 is what we're looking at for the breakdown. We do have support down here at 109.66, so I will be looking to cover my position on this next flush down. If we do close back over that 20, I will, you know, quickly exit that position just due to the fact that I don't want to you know, start losing money, especially when I'm up already in this position. So I'm just definitely going to monitor this position closely over the next hour or two, and then kind of see if we do happen to come down in the overnight session to 109.66, I would look for consolidation here and then kind of like a bounce higher. If we do lose 109.66, we got a lot of room down, next support being around 108. So we're going to have support around $1, each dollar down and each dollar up on crude oil. But again, guys, if you guys are interested in trading futures, and you want to learn how to trade and you want a winning strategy, you want to join a team where you can, you know, kind of bounce ideas off of other people intraday, I'm available in the Discord 5 days a week. You know, I trade everything from stock options to futures to everything in between. So definitely see the description down below. Get funded. Look at crude oil just spike as I'm talking here with that quick test of the 20-period moving average, 111.11. Yeah, so I'm gonna really need to monitor this position, guys. I'm gonna cut this video short so I can get onto it and manage this position here in case we do crack above. I want to quickly exit that before I go into a losing position here, but I am still looking for the flush. We did get that first test of the 20, but until next time, guys, I'm gonna see you guys all in the Discord. Those of you guys who join, and also those of you guys who take that step to get funded. And get that money under your belt so you can start day trading with us on the futures market. Definitely see you guys on the other side as well. But until next time, I'll catch you guys on the next trading video.